Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to our channel once again. Part 6 we completed previously, now part 7 completed examination special. So that also now still again trigonometry policy TS 2019. So those did not go through it, please go through it. Okay, the links are given in the description about part 6 of completed exam special. Now here we are going to discuss very important MCQ, multiple choice questions in the easiest way. So this also most important for CBSE and SSC for even your descriptive part A session. So let us start now. So first one, solution. Before starting, I am going through orally so that we can overcome in the competitive examination specials. Okay, because they are simple problem. Let us start now. Tan 85 into tan 65 degrees into tan 25 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 5 degrees. By seeing the question, don't be scared. Okay, so we have only the value of tan 45 degrees. No sir, how to proceed then remaining part? So in the product there are here 5 values total. So now if you observe carefully the complementary T ratio for tan is nothing but cot here. So for tan theta is nothing but cot of 90 minus theta and vice versa. That you should able to know. Next reciprocals. So the reciprocal of tan theta is nothing but cot theta. So let us start now. So with that idea we are going to continue. So here write down, first of all orally I said no. So tan 85 degrees into tan 45 degrees, since they are complementary to each other. Okay, so there will be 1, tan 45 is 1 and tan 65 and tan 25 degrees. So this is nothing but I can write cot 25 degrees. Tan and cot are reciprocal 1 into 1 into 1, totally 1. So finally it is 1. That I am going to write here. That is the oral discussion in the competitive examinations here. So I am clubbing directly tan 85 degrees into tan 5 degrees because 5 plus 85 gives you 90. Next again consider tan 25 degrees into tan 65 degrees and tan 45 degrees. T45 stands for tan, don't be scared here, don't get confused, tan 45 degrees, T45. So here, so tan 85 degrees, this I can write it as tan of, here 5 degrees can be written as 90 minus 85. So tan of 90 minus 85 nothing but cot 85. So cot 85 degrees. If you are interested, you can change this one and fix this part. That is your self-interest. In the same way, again I can write here cot directly 65 degrees and here it is tan 65 degrees. And obviously its value is 1. Tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1, we know very well. Now tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. You can cancel here itself. And with respect to same angle, 85, 85, 65, 65. Okay, so you can cancel. So finally 1 into 1 into 1 gives you 1. 3 things, one is tan 45 1, other thing is reciprocal of T ratios, one more thing is T ratios of complementary angles. 3 steps, 3 basic concepts of trigonometry. First part completed. So with this, nothing but our A option. Next, coming to second one. So what is the second one given here? Root of sec theta plus 1 into root of sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. Immediately you should get the idea that a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So now I can write that here sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. So a plus b into a minus b, nothing but a square minus b square, sec square theta minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. So Again, later I can write here root of sec square theta minus 1 square is 1. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, sec square theta minus 1, you can write it as tan square theta. So, finally, now I can write here root of tan square theta. So, under the square root, we have tan square theta. Power 1 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. So, finally, it is tan theta. So, the value of the expression for second one, okay, for second one, the expression you got is nothing but here tan theta. Okay, here you got for B option. Again, just two things, algebraic identity a plus b times b square minus b square. Next, trigonometric identities. Okay, so third one, to proceed third one here, if sin 18 degrees is equal to cos x, then x is equal to, in the same way again, so third solution I am doing here. So please look over here, within 2-3 steps I am doing just like the first one, the third one, the concept here. So sin 18 degrees is equal to cos x. With respect to 90 degrees, I can add 18 degrees nothing but here sin of 90 degrees minus 72 degrees is equal to cos x. Sin of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cos 72 degrees is equal to cos x. Since 72 degrees is nothing but our acute angle, x also here acute angle. So with that I can write now x is equal to 72 degrees, which stands for our C option. Okay. So in this way, the first problem, the second problem, first problem question and solution, second question and solution, the third one here. Once you have the total look, all the viewers, so in this way you can overcome the anxiety of the problems. Okay, please share. If you feel good, then only like and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. See you in the next video session.